Hi, and welcome back. So our sleep, our health, our longevity, our health span are all without question intrinsically connected. Researchers from the Bingham and Women's Hospital have explored the connection between sleep disturbances and deficiencies among older adults and the risk of dementia and also death. They found that the risk of dementia was double among those participants who reported getting less than 5 hours sleep per night. This was when compared to those who reported getting between 7 and 8 hours of sleep per night. And there are links in the description below to the studies and articles I used to put this presentation together. The team also found an association between sleep disturbance and sleep deficiency with overall risk of death. Lead author Rebecca Robbins, PhD, of the Division of Sleep and Circadian Disorders said, "Our findings illuminate a connection between sleep deficiency, risk of dementia, and confirm the importance of efforts to help older individuals obtain sufficient sleep each night. To investigate the connection between quality and quantity of sleep and the risk of dementia and death, Dr. Robbins and her colleagues used nationally representative data collected from older adults who participated in the National Health and Aging Trends Study, known as NHATS. This is a longitudinal study of Medicare beneficiaries who were 65 years of age and older. Survey data from the NHATS participants has been collected annually since 2011. 2,610 participants answered sleep questionnaires in 2013 and also in 2014. The researchers examined their answers about several characteristics of sleep disturbance and deficiency, including alertness, nap frequency, how long it took participants to fall asleep, their sleep quality, and this was defined as very good, good, fair, very poor, and also poor. They also checked sleep duration and snoring. They also collected information from healthcare proxies as needed about patient outcomes such as dementia and death from any cause for up to 5 years after the study. Overall, they found a strong relationship between several sleep disturbances and deficiency variables and the incidence of dementia over time. They found that routinely taking 30 minutes or longer to fall asleep was associated with a 45% greater risk for incident dementia. Routinely having trouble in maintaining alertness, routinely napping, reporting poor sleep quality, and sleeping 5 hours or less per night was associated with an increased risk of death. Senior author of the study, Charles Seisler, MD, chief of the Division of Sleep and Circadian Disorders, said, "This prospective study reveals that sleep deficiency at baseline, when the average age of the participant was 76 years old, was associated with double the risk of incident dementia and all-cause mortality over the next 4 to 5 years. These data add to the evidence that sleep is important for brain health and highlight the need for further research on the efficacy of improving sleep and treating sleep disorders on the risk of Alzheimer's disease and mortality. The authors call for further study of the causal relationship between sleep, dementia, and death, as insights may lead to new ways in which to view sleep among older adults." Second author of the study, Stuart Kwan, MD, also from the Division of Sleep and Circadian Disorders, said, "Our study demonstrates that very short sleep duration and poor quality sleep in the elderly increases the risk of developing dementia and early death. There should be an increased focus on obtaining healthy sleep in older adults." So if you follow the channel consistently, you'll know that I post my sleep scores in the community tab. My overall sleep is more often than not between 7 and 8 hours per night. Please let me know in the comments below how many hours of sleep on average do you get per night? And in the wake of this study's findings, are you concerned about the risk of dementia and early death if indeed you do get regularly less than 5 hours sleep per night?